Fun, sexy, elegant, and unique. Thinking outside the box and inside the bubble. Get your party or event poppin' with a pop-up enclosure. Made in the USA, pops up quick and easy. Engineered to withstand 150 mile-per-hour winds. Transparent outdoor feel with indoor comfort and climate control. Our luxury and sustainable pop-up enclosures are manufactured locally, designed and conceptualized in-house. They can be permanently installed or temporarily erected in a very short time. Indoors, outdoors, on all types of terrains, water, grass, concrete, parking lots, rooftops, malls, hotel lobbies, even at conventions. They're also great in any natural environment. Forests, mountains, beaches, and waterways. Pop-ups are modular. They can be interconnected or expanded to almost any size. They're watertight, lightweight, and airtight, engineered to withstand all sorts of wind and weather, constructed with aluminum frames and various envelopes. In other words, polycarbonates, specialty vinyls and fabrics, metal, or other materials depending on the use and location. The pop-up bubble P25 structure consists of 16 identical panels assembled to form a dome-shaped enclosure, 25 feet in diameter by 11 feet high. Openings can be set up anywhere around the circumference. Our pop-up enclosures can be custom designed and built to the needs of the client to create immediate brand recognition. With their powerful aesthetic shapes and transparency, our pop-up enclosures are ideal attention getters for any brand to stand out. The enclosures can be set up anywhere to act like a pop-up billboard. The outer shell can be shrink-wrapped and/or the translucent panels can be individually labeled or tinted. The special effects at night with lighting and interactive projectors create a true wow effect. We also offer pom-pom curtain partition and wrapping system. This patent-pending curtain system is an innovative system to cover, partition off, or hide any indoor or outdoor space. They're lightweight, wrinkle-proof, and fire retardant, installed in most cases without supporting poles using special ceiling clips. The pom-pom frames can be free-formed to any design and can be illuminated for a very unique effect. We also have pop-up clouds. These are modular 8-foot diameter by 10-foot high curved sections assembled on any size perimeter. You can use them as enclosures, wind panels, partitions, and dividers or columns. Use them in expo booths and as decorative panels. Pop-Up Events Group is now offering strategic alliances. We offer short and long-term rentals, as well as partnerships and sales opportunities. Think outside the box and inside the bubble with popupeventsgroup.com.